This island is an enigma. It was a land forged by fire, but now covered in ice. It has a modern metropolis surrounded by acres and acres of untamed wilderness. Really, there's only one word to describe where we are, and that's adventure. Welcome to Iceland. As soon as we got to Iceland, we wanted to get right into the adventure. So Garrett found this mountain called Helgafell, which rises 1,200 feet above the Icelandic terrain, and we're hoping to get some great views from the top of it. Fun fact, the astronauts for the Apollo program used Iceland as a kind of lunar landscape simulator, just so barren and empty. They made these rock piles so you could know where the path is. So you see how they go straight across to a little, looks like a trail, that's where we're headed. Oh, okay. So, are we at the top? No, we're only halfway there. So when we flew in this morning, the clouds were really low, like maybe 500 feet above the ground. And this peak's almost 900, so I was worried that we'd be in the clouds at the top, but it's looking clear. The clouds are lifting. Well, you're going along, like, here's a trail, and then like, where's it go? Whip over to there. But it's up here. Oh, well, no way. Yeah, we have to go down and around and back up. Yeah, I had no idea where the trail went. It was good, and then it just kind of disappeared here. Yeah. I've been following footprints from other people. But we might just go straight up to the top. Rolling. Just be careful. Yep. Hard to climb with one hand. Almost there, dude. That's it. Like snow up here. Oh.